The freckled duck is one of our largest ducks, occurring in southeastern and southwestern Australia, extending into central Australia. Freckled duck prefer densely vegetated swamps with lignum and cane grass. After favourable breeding seasons, they will redistribute widely, occurring in temporarily flooded areas, creeks and farm dams, often in open water. Despite periods of local abundance, this rare species will seek refuge away from inland Australia after periods of drought. Because of this, it is one of the most important ducks to learn to identify. Freckled ducks have few discernible field marks. They take off from a running start, slowly gaining level flight, often circling a wetland to do so. They are unusual for an Australian duck in having a very long neck, elongated head, and a long, scooped bill shaped like a ski jump. This gives them a slender appearance, but also makes them appear pot-bellied, as their weight is distributed back towards the tail. Despite being a similar size to our Pacific black duck, they are different, lacking the tan head and prominent white underwings. They are also sometimes said to be similar to hardhead, but lack the white upper wing band of this species. The wings of freckled ducks are long, thin and triangular, and on slow but powerful wing beats, the wingtips bend. The rectangular head is held low, giving them a hunchbacked appearance, and the tail is pointed, long and tapered, with the legs slung far back on the body. Except at close range, the plumage appears brown, with a dark head and neck, brown-grey coloured back and upper wings, and paler underwing and belly. In some circumstances, the belly and underwing may appear almost white, similar to Pacific black duck and other game birds. On closer inspection, the feathers are peppered brown and white. On the water, they fold their neck into their chest feathers and can appear quite compact. The head is distinct, with its upturned bill and tufted crest. Freckled ducks are recognisable due to a combination of their larger size and triangular pointed head. In breeding plumage, male freckled ducks have a bright red base to their bill. Females and immature males are more dull in coloration, slightly browner with a more uniformly coloured bill. They tend to be quite wary and silent. When they do call, it's a relatively quiet, rasping quack. Freckled duck can occur on any wetland and will often mix with game species. It is particularly important that you learn to identify this protected species, as they will tend to fly low around a wetland and can be mistaken for game ducks. As with most ducks, the best way to identify freckled duck is not to look for specific markings, but learn what they look like in flight. Freckled ducks fly with their head down, have a hunched appearance, and lack any colour on the upper wing. Freckled ducks are large and slim birds. Their long, slender neck, head and bill, long wings and long tapering tail are key features to look for.